You know, a pretty quiet but really important revolution is happening right now in how we code with AI. And it's basically a showdown between two brand new, really powerful toolkits, GitHub Spec Kit and Fission AI's OpenSpec. Both of them are promising to totally change how we build software, but they come at it from two completely different directions. So let's break down this battle for the future of AI development.
Okay, if you're a developer, you totally know this feeling, right? You type some vague idea into your AI assistant, you cross your fingers, and you just hope it can read your mind. Well, that whole era of what people are calling vibe coding, it's coming to an end. The future isn't about guessing anymore, it's all about precision.
So what even is vibe coding? Well, it's that loop we've all gotten used to. Give the AI a rough idea, it spits out some code, and you just kind of hope for the best. And look, for a quick one-off script, that's totally fine. But when you're building a real product with a real team, that guesswork, well, it starts to cause some serious problems.
In this chaos, it has real consequences. You get inconsistent code because, let's be honest, every AI guess is a little different. Documentation is basically non-existent because the why behind the code just gets completely lost in translation. And all of this, it just piles up into this mountain of technical debt that you just can't scale. It is not a sustainable way to build professional software.
So what's the solution? It's this really cool shift called spec-driven development. And the idea is actually super simple but really powerful. You capture exactly what you want, your intent, in a clear written specification before the AI ever writes a single line of code. Just that one change turns the whole process from pure guesswork into a structured, traceable, and best of all, testable way of engineering.
All right, let's meet our first contender, which really nails this new approach, GitHub Spec Kit. The best way to think about this one is as the structured architect. It's all about precision, detail, and building things the right way, right from the very beginning.
And the goal here is nothing short of military-grade precision for AI coding. Seriously, every single step is deliberate, it's documented, and it's tied directly back to that initial plan. Here, ambiguity is the enemy. So how does it enforce this precision? With a really clear four-step workflow. First, you specify your high-level goal. Then the AI expands that into a full-blown spec. Next, the AI creates a technical plan. That plan gets broken down into smaller, reviewable tasks, and only then, at the very end, does the AI actually implement the code. The result? Every single line of code can be traced all the way back to your original idea.
And Spec Kit has this really unique feature they call a constitution file. You can think of it like a rule book for your AI. You get to define all your project's core principles, your coding standards, security policies, the architecture you want, and the AI is literally bound by those rules. This makes sure it's not just writing code that works, but code that meets your team's specific standards. It's pretty cool.
Okay, on to our second contender, Fission AI's OpenSpec. Now, if Spec Kit is the architect planning a brand new skyscraper from scratch, then OpenSpec is the agile renovator. It's designed to quickly and efficiently improve a building that's already standing.
And its workflow totally reflects that agile philosophy. It's a super lean three-command process. You propose a change, the AI applies it, which means it generates and tests the new code. Then, once you approve it, you archive it, and that merges the change into your project's living spec. It's all about speed and fitting right into the tools you're already using.
I love this part. Its organization is just beautifully simple. Everything lives in two folders. You've got the specs folder, which is the official source of truth for how your project works. And then you have the changes folder, which holds all the proposed updates that are waiting for somebody to review. This separation makes code reviews and audits incredibly easy. You always know exactly what changed, why it changed, and who gave it the okay.
Okay, so there you have it. The structured architect versus the agile renovator. They both want to bring order to AI coding, but they take completely different paths to get there. So let's put them head-to-head and see how they stack up.
And yeah, the differences are pretty stark. Spec Kit is really built for brand new, greenfield projects, probably in big enterprise companies that need super detailed documentation and that multi-step workflow. OpenSpec, on the other hand, it just shines when you're updating a code base that already exists, especially on smaller, more agile teams that want a lightweight process. The right choice here really depends on your situation.
When you boil it all down, this really comes down to two competing philosophies. Spec Kit is all about enterprise governance and strict compliance. Think control, traceability, rules. OpenSpec is all about agile flexibility and developer freedom. Think speed and autonomy.
You know, maybe the best way to think about it is like this. Spec Kit is the incredibly detailed blueprint you need to build a brand new skyscraper. OpenSpec
is the agile toolkit you grab when you want to renovate a kitchen. Both are absolutely essential, but you would never use one for the other's job.
So why does any of this really matter? Well, because this isn't just about two new tools. This is what's next for software engineering. This whole move to spec-driven development, it's a fundamental shift in how we work with our AI collaborators.
It's not just about generating code faster anymore. The real game changer is about managing human intent at scale. We're finally teaching our AI partners to understand the why behind a feature, not just the what. The AI is finally learning to follow the spec, not just the vibe.
And the benefits are huge, and you feel them right away. When your intent is crystal clear from the start, you naturally get fewer bugs. Code reviews get way faster. But honestly, the biggest win is how the AI's role changes. It stops being this glorified autocomplete and starts becoming a true collaborator that's working with you to achieve a clearly documented goal.
And that brings us to the final question, really for you and your team. Which future are you going to choose? Are you going to go with the methodical precision of the structured architect or the nimble power of the agile renovator? Your answer could very well define how you build software for the next decade.